Plants, like all living things, have their own ways of growing. One fascinating aspect is apical dominance. This is the tendency for the main, central stem to grow more strongly than other side shoots. Imagine a tree with a tall, straight trunk and branches spreading out lower down. The science behind this is the plant hormone called auxin. It's produced in the tip, the very top of the plant. Auxin travels down the stem, telling the plant to focus its energy on growing upwards. This is why the main stem usually grows the fastest and tallest. However, auxin's journey down the stem isn't a free ride. It gets weaker the further it travels, allowing side shoots to grow. By manipulating this natural process, we can shape our plants, encourage bushier growth, and improve their health and productivity. Please like, share, and subscribe to support our channel. Pruning is a fundamental gardening practice, and understanding apical dominance is crucial for success. It's not just about randomly snipping away at branches. When we prune the top of a plant, we remove the main source of auxin. This disrupts the usual flow of growth hormones and sends a clear signal to the plant. Hey, things are changing up here. The plant, sensing a change at the top, starts to redirect its energy. Instead of solely focusing on upward growth, it starts to encourage the development of lateral branches or side shoots. By understanding how to prune effectively, we can manipulate this hormonal response to our advantage. Shape your plants and encourage the growth patterns you desire. Pruning might seem daunting, but it's a simple process when broken down into steps. Remember, we're working with the plant's natural tendencies, not against them. Step 1. Identify the main stem, usually the tallest, most dominant shoot. Step 2. Using clean, sharp pruning shears, make a cut just above a leaf node. Step 3. Observe the plant's response. After pruning, you'll likely see new growth emerging from the nodes below the cut. Step 4. Repeat the process to encourage bushier growth and desired shape. Pruning is not a one-time event. It's an ongoing process that requires observation and adjustment. Be patient and enjoy the journey of guiding your plant's growth. Pruning, when done correctly, offers numerous benefits for your plants and your garden. It's not just about aesthetics. It's about improving plant health, increasing yield, and creating a more harmonious garden space. Firstly, pruning improves air circulation. By removing excess foliage and branches, we allow air to flow more freely around the plant. This helps to reduce humidity and prevent fungal diseases, keeping our plants healthy and vigorous. Secondly, pruning allows more sunlight to reach the lower leaves. By pruning strategically, we ensure that all parts of the plant receive adequate sunlight, promoting photosynthesis and overall growth. Thirdly, pruning can increase yield by directing the plant's energy towards fruit production rather than excessive foliage growth. This can result in larger, more abundant harvests. Let's take the example of a tomato plant, a garden favorite. Tomatoes are naturally vigorous growers and benefit greatly from regular pruning. As your tomato plant grows, you'll notice suckers, which are small shoots that emerge from the joint between the main stem and a branch. These suckers can grow into new branches, but they often sap energy from the plant, reducing fruit production. By regularly removing these suckers, we redirect the plant's energy towards developing larger, tastier tomatoes. Through consistent pruning, you can maintain a strong, healthy tomato plant that produces an abundant harvest of delicious, juicy tomatoes. Having the right tools and techniques makes pruning more efficient and ensures clean, healthy cuts for your plants. Always use sharp, clean pruning shears. Dull blades can crush stems, leaving wounds that are slow to heal and susceptible to disease. Clean your tools regularly with rubbing alcohol to prevent the spread of plant diseases. When making a cut, angle your shears slightly away from the bud or branch. This allows water to run off the cut surface, reducing the risk of rot. With a little practice and observation, you'll gain the confidence to prune effectively. Always consult reliable sources for specific pruning advice for different plant species. Mastering the art of pruning is a journey, not a destination. It's about understanding your plants, observing their responses, and adapting your techniques accordingly. As you gain experience, you'll develop an intuitive sense of how each snip and cut influences growth. The knowledge of apical dominance is a powerful tool in a gardener's arsenal. It allows us to work in harmony with nature, shaping our plants, improving their health, and maximizing their potential. The act of pruning becomes more than just a chore, it becomes a conversation, a dance between gardener and plant. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.